If you follow my steps in this video, you will not only manifest everything that you want in the quickest and easiest way possible, but you will also be living your best life. You won't be feeling desperate, depressed, in a low mood. You will be living like that person that you see on social media living, that you are so inspired by. This is what they do unintentionally. I'm going to be telling you all of the secrets today. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you would like to enroll in either my Manifest Your SP course or my The Perfect Self-Concept course, you can do so by clicking the very first link in the description box down below or going on ritakaminski.com/courses. Each course will equip you into getting to your desired state. Manifest Your SP is very specific to manifesting your SP, although I always tell people that you can actually replace the wording of SP and use it to manifest anything. The Perfect Self-Concept is used to get a high self-concept, which will ultimately get you everything that you want without you even thinking about it, just automatically. Isn't that so exciting? Both courses have been wildly popular, so just go on the card and read the frequently asked questions, read about the course breakdown, and pick the course that you resonate with the most. We also have payment plans for your convenience. Again, all of the information is at ritakaminski.com/courses. And if you want even further information, you just click on either of the courses and you'll be able to read more. If you would like to book one-on-one coaching with me, you can click on the second link in the description box down below or go on ritakaminski.com/coaching. This is where we have a chat one-on-one together. You tell me about your situation. I give you personalized manifesting routine, an answer of any of your questions, support you, anything that you want. My goal is to get you to your manifestations in the quickest, seamless way possible, with the support that you need, with the understanding that you need about your own personal situation. Additionally, you can join collective coaching, where I answer generic, frequently asked questions all about law of assumption. That will be the third link in the description box down below, or you can actually just click on the join button right next to my name. I intend for this video to change your absolute life for the best, and with that, let's get into it. To get into a high vibration, you must ask yourself on a moment-to-moment basis, what feels the best for me to do right now with all of the options that I have out in front of me? That will put you not only in a good mood, but it will distract you from whatever it is that you're manifesting. What is that going to do? That's going to drop your resistance. You're going to get into a higher and a higher and a higher mood. You're going to be focusing more on yourself and your life, and before you know it, your manifestation will be at your doorstep because you've released that resistance. You're not looking at where it is. You're not in doubting mode. You're simply enjoying your life. That's how it should be. As Abraham Hicks says, you are one positive thought away from your entire life changing and all of your manifestations coming all at once. So apart from that, I want you to consistently be in modes of appreciation when you are in a neutral to good mood. What I do personally is wherever I am at any given point in time, I let myself intentionally think about what I love, whether it's out in front of me or things that are in my mind. But I like to keep it very simple, so I like to comment on what I love, whatever it is that I'm seeing in this moment. And this can trickle onto when you're with someone. You can do modes of appreciation when you're with them. For example, if you're walking with your friend, you can say, I love those pink flowers over there. I love that tree. Oh my God, that dog is so cute. So for example, Right now, I'm sitting in an air-conditioned room. It is really hot in Australia right now, and I'm very, very grateful that I'm feeling cool. I'm very grateful that I'm feeling so productive, and I got so many things done today. I got my nails done, I got laser, I cooked, I ate clean. I'm filming a video now. I'm gonna be walking my babies, aka my cats, and gonna be doing an at-home outside exercise. And then I'm going to be editing this video and editing a subliminal and probably watching Sonic the Hedgehog with my boyfriend. And I'm super grateful for that. And I'm just super happy. That already brings me into a high vibrational state. The third thing that I want you to do is to practice non-reaction and to relax when you are in a low energy. So whenever something happens in your life that is less than favorable, I want you to completely ignore it as though it has never happened. You are not venting to your friends, you're not venting to me, you're keeping your mouth shut, and you are limiting the thoughts going into your mind. If the thoughts are thinking you, do not fight them, because then you are creating resistance, right? So we never want to do that. We never want to create any resistance, because what we resist persists. So instead, we are falling into that feeling, into those thoughts. We're accepting them and we're waiting for them to go away by themselves. This can be paired with doing what makes you happy on a moment-to-moment basis, because when you're doing something that makes you happy, it makes you forget about those thoughts. You can be on TikTok even in a bad mood, if that is what is the most aligned for you to do right now. That is going to raise your vibration, and before you know it, you're going to look back and be like, this thing actually never happened. You will be talking to someone, for example, if you're reacting about an interaction that you had, it's gonna be as though that interaction never happened and everything goes back to normal, because you have safely not reacted. Whenever you are feeling in a low energy, you are simply breathing into it, you're getting into your body, and you are breathing through it until it goes away by itself. That is settling the moment down and not fighting with it. Those are the 4 things that I highly recommend for you to do to get into the highest vibrational state. And when you get into that state, you're not going to be noticing all of the things that are coming into your life, and the speed, the velocity of which these manifestations are going to be rolling into your life. You won't know what hit you. This stuff is magic, but at the same time it's not, because you're simply aligning to the version of you who already has these manifestations that you're manifesting right now. You're going straight to the end, not by forcing yourself and telling yourself that you already have it, but by skipping that step and just doing what makes you feel the best in each moment. Because imagine you literally got exactly what it is that you wanted. What would you be doing? You would be doing whatever made you happy, right? You would be in that happy state. So in order for you to get to that state, we want to already be aligned with that version. We are in the state of the you that has your manifestation, and you will be happy when you get your manifestation, right? So already skipping that step, that manifestation will have no choice but to meet you to your level. Like, think about the person that you may know in your life, or maybe an influencer or a celebrity, and they seemingly get absolutely every single thing that they want so quickly. To me, that person is Anna Paul, and that is because she follows her happiness on a moment-to-moment basis. She does what makes her feel good, and when she is doing that thing that makes her feel good, she is fully enjoying that moment, which she has been a part of many, and she's not emotionally reacting to it. And if she is, she's giving herself compassion. Now she's traveling, she's eating whatever she wants, and she's at her dream body weight. She's close with her friends, family, loved ones. She has been working with a bunch of celebrities, and that progression was natural for her. She never had to affirm or consciously manifest. So we want to be completely limitless. Throw away law of attraction, law of assumption, labeling. We just want to be happy, correct? So let's be happy now. Let's fully appreciate the things that we are doing now. Let's work on our self-concept, because we need to know that we are deserving of all good things. We are deserving of happiness. That did greatly help me. So I would recommend for you to enroll in the self-concept course, because that is really going to penetrate your subconscious mind and your mind as a whole, to know that you are worthy of all good things through truly understanding your self-worth, through disproving your limiting beliefs, through deciding who you get to be. Just take a look at the module breakdown. It says it all there. Things always work out. Remember back to a vacation when you were so happy and you felt such a thrill about life. There was not one negative thought in your brain, and everything just snap, crackle, pop worked without you even having to sit down and figure it out. I love you all so much. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.